One of the most common questions we get about our Solstice V2 sling is where all the included accessories are located. Let me show you. If you open the main door, which is on the side in this side access sling bag, you'll notice that there's a white mesh pocket at the top. Inside this pocket, you'll find two items. First, our stability strap, which you can wear to increase the stability of the bag while doing action sports like skiing or biking. And secondly, you can find an extra modular compression strap. The compression straps can be installed on any of these loops anywhere on the bag, across the front or across the side. Lastly, in the bottom of the bag, you'll find a rain cover. The rain cover can be used to improve the already good water resistance of this bag to make it even better. Lastly, you'll find dividers on the 12 liter. You'll have two made of tricot that are folded in the center with Velcro on both sides, with three blue lining dividers with Velcro on only one side. These operate as flaps or doors to help you keep your gear separated from the other gear inside your bag. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below.